Hi, this is Marie Lundi with Keller Williams. And so you would think in this increasingly paperless world that we live in, that applying for a mortgage would require maybe less paper. Well, it's actually just the opposite. Applying for a mortgage these days require even more paperwork than ever before. Now, if you think back 10 years ago, a lot of the lenders were not asking as many documents to prove employment, to prove the buyer's ability to repay the loan. And so since the market collapsed, that all changed. Lenders are actually more careful and they're taking the position that they want to make as sure as possible that the buyers are able to repay the debt that they take out on the property. And so it may take a while for you to collect all of the paperwork that you need to apply for a mortgage. So for today, I wanted to share a list with you so that you know what to expect, so that you could plan ahead of time and start collecting this information. And by doing so, you will save a lot of time and frustration. Following are 7 documents that you need to apply for a home loan. Now, depending on your financial situation, you may need more than those 7 documents, but once again, this is definitely a good place to start by having these. Number 1, you will need your tax returns. Ideally, lenders want to see your tax return for the past 2 years. You will also need your pay stubs, W-2s, or other proof of income. If you're working for yourself, you will need your 1099 forms for the past 2 years. As well, if you're receiving child support, you will need documentation of this additional source of income. Now, keep in mind that your credit score will be pulled. Right? There's a direct correlation between how strong your credit score is and how low your interest rate will be. Number 5, if you're receiving monies towards the purchase of the house from a friend or family member, you will need to provide what is known as a gift letter. And that gift letter needs to show proper documentation that the money is in fact a gift and not a loan. Number 6, you will need a form of ID, proof of ID, such as a driver's license or any government issued pieces of ID. And lastly, number 7, you will need to show your rent history, right? And that will involve showing your canceled rent checks for the past year. Now, keep in mind that your lender's goal will be to assess how strong of a borrower you will be in repaying the loan on the property. And so your objective is to paint a financial picture that will tell a story. Now, I understand that each individual may have a unique situation. And so if you would like to discuss your situation directly with me, please don't hesitate to contact me. I may be able to give you some advice in preparing for making a purchase on a property. So once again, this is Marie Lundi with Keller Williams, here to help.